Use notes only to help you remember your main points and stay on track. Your notes are only a brief reminder of where you are and where you're going if they're constructed well. Don't be apologetic about stopping to check your notes. All right, how did that go for you as an audience member? Typically, if you're reading your notes, your audience is thinking, just give me the notes, I'll read them myself. There's no reason to have notes in your hand when you make a presentation. If you have notes in your hand, you can't gesture naturally. If you have notes in your hand, you're going to want to look at them, which means very little eye contact with the audience. So what you want to do is create your notes such that they are simply a reminder of where you're going. They're a great outline for you. They're full of memory joggers that are in all the right order. It is absolutely expected for you to need notes, so don't be apologetic if you need to refer to your notes. Stop, look at your notes, get your bearings, think of what you need to do to go on, look back at the audience, make eye contact with somebody, and begin speaking again. Again, notes are just a guideline. They are not a script. The audience will lose contact with you if you use them as a script. So use them as a general guideline, and when you use them, don't be apologetic. Don't talk as you're looking at them. Look back at the audience, and go on.